Hey, what's going on, YouTube? What's going on, fellow investors? You know, one thing I like when it comes to my individual stocks or my exchange traded funds is dividends. Whether it's a quarterly dividend or a monthly dividend, I just like dividends. And basically, dividend is when the company will take a portion of the profit and give it or hand it down to the shareholders. And in this video, I want to focus on a stock that pays a monthly dividend. And I don't think there's anything better than knowing that you're getting passive income each and every month. And that is Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN, MAIN. And man, I really want to beef up my holdings with Main Street Capital. I have actually moved it off Robinhood, which we're going to be using Robinhood today, and I've moved it to my other brokerages. But now I want to really focus on just kind of building it up in Robinhood because I like the fact I don't have to search for the dividends. I can see the upcoming dividends, unlike some other brokerages. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and share my screen here, and we can see Main Street Capital is currently trading at $55.53. It is up 20 cents for the day, or 0.036%, 0.36%. Not a lot. I don't really care what it does in a day. So what is Main Street Capital? Main Street Capital Corporation is a traded business development company which invests in lower middle market companies with revenues of $10 to $150 million. The fund targets companies operating in the fields of business services, commercial and professional services, communication services, consumer discretionary, energy, finance, healthcare, industrial, information technology, manufacturing, and materials. Wow, that's a mouthful. So basically, Main Street Capital is kind of loaning out money to these middle market companies, but you have to have a certain value, which I'm cool with that. And what we're going to do now is take a look at the past performance. Please keep in mind, past performance is not an indication of future performance, meaning just because a stock or ETF or crypto made this return, this percentage return on investment in the last 3 months or year to date or year does not mean it's going to do that in the upcoming year. Please keep that in mind. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. So we're going to look at the last 3 months. What is Main Street? Main Street is up 10.75% in the last 3 months. I'm kind of cool with that. That's right along with the S&P 500, what it's done in the history of the stock market, typically around 10 to 11%. But year to date, let's go down here and go to year to date. What has Main Street Capital done? It's up 28.26% year to date. And in the last year, it's up 29.39%. I'll take that all day because, yes, I like to see the return on my investment. But the biggest purpose of this stock is the monthly dividends. The more shares I have, the more I'll make per dividend, meaning the more I'll make in total dividends. Just keep that in mind. And what we're going to do right now, and I don't do it in every video, but I'm going to do it in this video, is we're going to buy us some Main Street Capital. It's going to default to buy order. We're buying in dollars. Now, we could switch this over to shares and buy a full share at $55.56, but we're investing on a budget. I only have $10 buying power, so I'm going to take that 10 and go ahead and invest $5. I come down here, it's going to give me 0.09002 of a share. I'm getting a slither of the pie. 5 more $5 investments, I almost have a full share. I'm going to review the order. It's going to basically give me a summary. Let's see what we have here. We currently have no Main Street Capital on Robinhood, so I'm going to go ahead and make the purchase. We're going to click done. Should be able to come down here. There it is, market value, $5. I just invested $5. It's not going to show any return. It's going to show me it went down. Remember, it was 0.09, it's 0.08999 because I took the time talking. And it makes up 0.42% of my portfolio. I'd like to get this to roughly 10% of my portfolio if possible. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Main Street Capital. That is definitely an investment you may want to look at. Again, do not invest any of your hard-earned money, regardless to what I say or what any other content creator or analyst say. Make sure you do your own research and know it is a good fit for you. What works for Rod's situation may not work for your situation. Always keep that in mind. And again, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification or that downward arrow next to subscribe. Make sure you select all so you don't miss out on future videos or live streams. Also, down in the description, there will be a link to join Robinhood or sign up for Robinhood, however you want to look at it. It's just like any other bank. You can actually, they have little debit cards. You can keep money there and not have to invest it if you want to just kind of get a feel for it and start moving $5, $10, $20 into there. My link for that will be down in the description. You'll get a free stock. I'll get a free stock once you've deposited a total of $100. Also, share this out. You never know who could be looking for information like this. And I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge, but more importantly, showing you how to invest on a budget. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're having a great week. I will be coming at you soon. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. Until next time, peace, y'all.